Yeah, hi everyone. So I've got here a HD card camera. It's by a company called Figo. That's how I'm pronouncing it. I shall put up the Amazon link for it. Anyway, let's see what we've got in the box. So it comes nicely boxed. That's the company. So three channels basically means it records at the front. It's got a rear camera, so it records at the back, and also it's got a facing in the car camera, so it records 3 different dimensions as such. So anyway, that's the instructions. Let's have a look at the little gadgets. Well, that looks very nice. 2-inch screen. So that's obviously the viewing for the front. I can see the internal camera, and that moves. I like that. So you can angle it. And then obviously you've got the front camera. SD card goes in there. And it's got obviously the instructions and everything. It's a dash cam, so it won't have any power. I'll be very surprised if it did. Let's see if it has. Wow, yeah, no, we've got a look at that. We've got some life. Obviously insert a memory card, which I haven't got to hand at the moment. So you've got nice and easy, that's it. Exposure, motion detection, audio, timestamp, gravity. Yeah, it's a nice easy menu. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. That looks very nice. I'm turning it off. So like I say, it is a 2-inch screen, but these things are meant to be compact and not in your face. Right, so in the box, what we got? Right, so we got the power leads. Okay. Right, that's a nice cigarette. Looks nice and sturdy and nice long length. Yeah, that looks good. Right, what else we got? We've also got the rear camera. Again, nice long length. I like that. So that's the rear camera. Depending on the car, on one of my cars, I've actually managed to get something like this, and I've wired it right the way through. Some cars you can't, so 3M tape, and you can fix it inside. When you put this inside or outside, make sure it faces the right way, because with these cameras there's always an up and a down, so you've got to just make sure obviously you're facing the right way for filming, otherwise you'll have to take it all out and restart again. Anyway, so that's nice. And then what else we got? Got the mounts. That looks okay. It looks nice and solid. Right, so that goes into the unit this way. So that's nice. So obviously that will sit on your windscreen, and you can angle it to whatever you need. So yeah, I mean, that's a very nice little unit. I shall put the Amazon link up like I've stated. And also what I'll do, I will put another video up of it once I've got it set up with the SD card and get some footage. But it looks nice. And yeah, I think that's going to look very smart. I like the sleekness of it. It's not oversized. Yeah, I think that's very nice. And that's it really. Okay, thanks for watching my video.